check the temperature here. It's 18 degrees.
Okay,
the
good.
water is 12 degrees, we heard. And we are going on the wakeboard session on a MasterCraft. Follow me.
Ready to go? Shorty, ready to go?
Ready?
Morning sun shines bright in the skies. With a smile we wake and rise. Happiness blooms like a surprise. Laughter echoes the spirit's rise.
World champion in wakesurfing.
Goes inside with eager eyes.
And go, Shorty. Jawohl!
Hi everyone and welcome to SolarYacht.
Floating on the water, I feel so free. On this houseboat yacht, it's the place to be. 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine. Luxurious living.
Hey, good morning. We have friends coming and we are gonna go for a wakeboard session. The water is very cold. Hello! I will record now how Arik will help our friend Larissa to dock the boat on the solar station. We have the solar station here. We stayed the night here. Hi, Arik.
Good morning.
We want to show you. I'm helping Larissa, our friend, to dock her MasterCraft.
Right here. You have everything?
Yes, check the temperature here. It's 18 degrees.
Okay,
The
good.
water is 12 degrees, we heard. We are going on the wakeboard session on a MasterCraft. Follow me. We are well equipped. Watch your step.
Nice shoes.
Ja, danke.
Ah, nice. Ready? Larry, ready to go? Shorty, ready to go?
Ready?
Let's do it. The ropes.
Schrift mal schnipsen und ich kriege einmal Kopf. Ich geb Disco, Partisane, Sahne, Disco, Party, so wie K, ich bring es auf die Karte in der Warte.
Partisane.
Auf der Liste steht mein Disco, Partisane, Disco. Auf der Liste steht mein Name, muss nicht zahlen.
Was los? Okay, Arik just recognized that he dressed the neoprene upside down or backwards, and he has to do it again. And having trouble? Hey, I think our audience is gonna go higher because you're barely naked here.
Dressing wrong wetsuits.
Nein!
Larry, das war ich hier nicht mit der Finne, ja?
Was? Das war Tim selber. Die andere Seite auch, guck mal, wie die gerissen ist. Ich hab die am Ende der Saison neu. Komm jetzt und dann.
Wir schneiden das zurecht.
Okay.
World Champion in Wakesurfing.
Jemand anders, der das sagt. Okay, verstau jetzt mal die Flasche, ich baue jetzt die Welle auf.
Chili.
Yeah, right.
Chili vanilli. Like summer.
Nee.
Norden würde ich vielleicht.
Okay. Summer. No,
Just a bit.
Not that cold.
Only ein bisschen.
Not that cold.
way back, we had a little Brazilian boat party.
Yes.
We just docked the MasterCraft here on the 30.
Look at the
On the 30. Here is the solar station, and there is our boat. So we have 4 boats actually. 1, 2, 3, and 4 boats. 4 boats on the water.
So, ihr 3 kleinen Entlein.
Aber springen tue ich nicht, weil dann sind ja die Haare nass. Was war das denn? Okay, here's the main thing, the breathing. Oh! Number 1 is cool. Okay, so I go slow and I always go in just when I breathe out. So hold your breath and go. Because you don't feel it that much.
Meu Deus do céu, this is why.
You can do it. Go.
Oh, look where she's going.
You're going.
She's right back.
Breathe out.
Actually, it's summer.
Ready?
Bitte Arbeit. Go, Shorty. Jawohl.
I don't feel my feet. You don't need to do it. To prove it. To
Should I?
Nach einer Minute.
Larry, Achtung. Die Leine da, aufpassen.
It was an amazing boating day. After 3 days on the lake, we came back to our dock at night.
So, that's our dock. Let's check if something is coming behind us. No, all free.
Follow us for more boat life content.